Today we're going to talk about the super trend optimized exit, which is basically our main trading indicator. Now, if we want to make the most out of this indicator when it comes to scalping trading, we need to make a few tweaks. First off, we gotta clean up the chart by disabling the uptrend, downtrend, and table options in the style section. After that, we gotta set the long option to down bar and the short option to above bar. And lastly, we're gonna adjust the HR link to 45 and the factor to 5. By doing all these customizations, we can seriously improve the super trend exit strategy's performance. Using the indicator is super easy because it gives you long and short signals. Now let's check out the performance of the indicator on the historical chart. As you can see, we made 179% profit with just a few successful trades, which is amazing using only one indicator with a few trades. But if we add 2 more indicators to the chart, we can even make more profit. So let's add the second indicator to the chart. The second indicator is the CMACD custom indicator. It helps us to spot signals that are less likely to work out. Once you add it to the chart, get into the settings. In the style tab, turn off the histogram. Shutting that off gives a cleaner look. Then in the inputs, change the fast link to 21, link to 45, and make sure source is set to close. Finally, set the signal smoothing to 14. How this indicator works is pretty simple. When the green dot shows up, the blue line crosses below the green line. Basically, that green dot is a buy signal confirmation that can pop up a few candles before or after the actual signal candle. And also, when the red dot shows up, the blue line crosses above the red line. Basically, red dot is a sell signal confirmation that can pop up a few candles before or after the signal candle. And the last indicator we want to add to the strategy is to identify the market trend. The best tool for that is EMA or exponential moving average. To optimize the moving average, we want to change the length to 145 and the method to WMA to maximize our gains. Then under the style tab, we can change the color and thickness of the EMA line however we want. Alright, to get the most win rate from this strategy, you gotta follow this exact method and rules I'm about to lay out. For a long entry, first wait for a long signal from the super trend indicator. Then check if the CMACD indicator confirms the signal by showing a green dot. If there is a green dot on the oscillator, the buy signal is confirmed. Lastly, make sure momentum is upwards, meaning the signal candle is above the EMA. Now you can enter the long trade at the signal candle's close price. It's best to set a stop loss to prevent big losses. Therefore, the recent swing low makes a good stop loss range. And to lock on profit, the best exit here is a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And also, the rules are exactly opposite for a short trade. So for a short entry, first wait for a short signal from the super trend indicator. Then check if the CMACD indicator confirms the signal by showing a red dot. If there is a red dot on the oscillator, the sell signal is confirmed. Lastly, make sure momentum is downwards, meaning the signal candle is below the EMA. Now you can enter the short trade at the signal candle's cross price. It is best to set a stop loss to prevent big losses. So the recent swing high makes a good stop loss range. And to lock in profit, we gotta exit the trade at an appropriate point. The best exit here is a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And if you're just getting started as a trader and exactly don't know the best way to trade and make money, you definitely cannot miss this recommended video.